Sanpanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are talking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. Now we know guys, the previous episode, Temba, which is Udlamini, Babu Dlamini's child, and Unumfundo's child came in with his uncles. They had brought the child basically to the Dlamini household. So on this episode, we see a continuation of that. Upetenu Kamisile Lapayana. Her mouth is open. She is in disbelief, you guys, of what these men are saying. Uti Temba ingane ngake ndala kangake is her husband's child. So she asks Unjengai with the boy, is this true? Unjengai atuzamukhaza, then Peteni just walks out of the room, you guys, because she is so overwhelmed. Vusi is now left behind, and Vusi basically tells these men ukuthi cela abaphumele endlini yabo, and he raises his voice, you guys, that you know what, get out of the Dlamini household, anitingegi lana. And then they end up leaving, you guys. When Jengaye, he doesn't know what to say. He's holding Uwewe because Uwewe is also shaken by these men who just came out of nowhere. They end up leaving the Dlamini household. And then, guys, we see another scene where Ubabu Vuma's fixing his car, and Ujabu is the guy who gave Usbungile the bursary. He bought Ubabu Vuma a brand new starter for his car because he noticed that Ubabu Vuma's car was giving him problems. Now Jabu seems like the perfect son-in-law, and that's why I am rooting. I am Team Jabu at this point because I don't want Ukwenzo to do nothing with Usbungilo. Usbungile mustn't have to do nothing with Ukwenzo. And then guys, while Upeteni is basically having a conversation, or before that, we see in the Dlamini household, Uwewe, Vusi, Kwenzo are having breakfast, basically talking about this incident with Yaibo Itramengaga, like Ubaba was Bengaga, like he kept such a big secret away from us. As they talking kanjalo, Utemba angene. Kushu that the uncles, while they left Utemba in the household. So it looks like Temba is going to be living with them in the Dlamini household. Temba walks in, he greets. Wewe doesn't greet back, and Uvusi doesn't greet back. The only person who greets him back and makes him kind of feel comfortable is Ukwenzo. So he sits down, and then he ends up saying, listen guys, Ubaba is not the bad man in this whole situation. Like, he's not that bad. Like, he's always been there for me. Anything that I ever needed, he's always there for me. Uwewege atai, congratulations. Like, Wewe doesn't like the guy and basically congratulates him that, listen, our father has been living a double life. So congratulations to you, Wena Temba. The fact that our father was there for you. But Wewe is angry. She gets up. She leaves them ganjalum. Then we see a scene where Unjengaye is trying to speak to Upeteni. I don't know if he wants to explain the matter or what exactly he wants to do. But as he's about to speak to her, you guys, kungeni phone call from the hospital telling Unjengaye ukuthi bamtholile uNomfundo, and Nomfundo uvukile. So uNomfundo, they found her, you guys. Some ship owner found her in the ocean. Angazi ukuthi how did she fall, or whatever the case may be. But because Unjengaye is in such a tough position, he rather asks Ukwenzo to take Utemba to go and see his mother at the hospital, since Yena he won't be able to do so because of the tough situation. But what Upeteni decides to do, Peteni decides to go to the hospital herself. Ayomvakashela uNomfundo. When she gets there, she tells uNomfundo Velo is up. She tells Nomfundo how much, she's been there for the family, how she practically grew up, Ukwenzo and Uvusi. basically praising her and telling her what you've really been there and protected basically not only my children, the whole family. And she says, no, I want you to know that the whole family is fine. Hmm? And then unomfundo ke looks like ukuthi ukhululekile ukuthi the whole family is fine. Then uPhetheni a-ede ke ukuthi hayi phela even uThemba is fine. Ayibo. Then she gets shocked. She's like, yes, Themba is fine with his father in the Dlamini household. You could see Unomfundo, she is uncomfortable because, I mean, this was their secret. This was their secret child. But now uPhetheni looks like she knows. So Phetheni tells her, and listen, your son is in the household. Basically, that she knows about the whole thing. You can see how Nomfundo is so uncomfortable. Phetheni is folding her arms there, and that's how the episode basically ends, you guys. I'm curious to see with you what's going to happen here because yeah, uPhetheni has woken up to a nightmare that her family is not as perfect as she thinks, as she portrays it to be, because deep down inside, she knows very well that her family is not perfect. We will see ukuthi what's gonna be of Nomfundo, because remember uPhetheni put a rule ukuthi abjola wakhe. So now to find out that Unomfundo was working for so many years, has been sleeping with her own husband, that is a dismissal. So I'm curious to see how that's gonna work out. Uthemba living along with the other Dlaminis. We will see you guys. Anyway, tell me, what did you think of this latest episode? Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge, and I'll see you guys in the next one.